KWIKOT ATW heat pump LinkWarm series, multiple anti-freezing protection. Large screen display, auto heat to raise temp and kill harmful bacteria. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. One system for all comfort needs. Heating, cooling, domestic hot water, high efficiency heat absorption, 30% increase in heat exchange area, high efficiency DC electric motor, full inverter technology ensure reliable performance and energy savings, high efficiency heat exchange, compact and low resistance plate type heat exchanger design. There are more options to choose from.